Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Zhao, Mr. Zhao's classroom. Don't you just love a beautiful day like this and the sun is out? Me too. Today, we're going to enjoy some cooking outdoors on the grill. Would you like to cook with me? Great, let's go. Today, we're going to be cooking burgers, steak, pork ribs, hot dogs. We have to put the chicken on. Delicious chicken. And salmon. And today's vegetables we're going to have corn, eggplants, tomatoes. So now we're going to let that cook for a few minutes. I'm going to be using my tongs for safety to pick it up when they're done. And I'm also going to use a spatula. Great job, a spatula. To pick up the burgers and all the other items. The condiments we're going to use today is ketchup, honey mustard, salt, black pepper. Let's see how the food is doing. Smells so good. We're going to flip the hamburger over like so. Yeah. We're going to flip our pork rib. Ooh, almost dropped it. Pork rib. And we're going to pick up our steak. Picking up a hot dog over here. I'm going to flip over the chicken like so. The chicken. And I'm going to flip over the salmon. I'm going to flip over the steak. Good. And then we're going to put some corn on here. The food is coming along pretty good. Oh, good. I'm going to put the burger. The salmon, and then we're going to flip over the steak and the pork rib. I'm going to close this up and let it cook a little bit longer, and then I'm going to make me a hamburger. So now I'm going to prepare my burger. I'm going to put the bottom bun. I'm going to put lettuce, tomatoes, the burger, and the bun. Looks good, doesn't it? Let's try it. Tastes so good. It tastes so good. I think I'm going to get the hot dog off now. Get the hot dog off. The hot dog is going to be placed right here. That's done. While we wait, I'm going to place my hot dog on the hot dog bun. The hot dog on the bun. Now I want to put some ketchup on my hot dog. Ketchup. And some mustard. Delicious once again. So good. to grab my corn. Now I'm going to eat some corn. So good. Right now, I'm going to take off the salmon, the steak, the pork rib, and the chicken. Let's do it together. First, let's do the chicken. The chicken. Steak. That's one. Then I'm going to put this over here. The corn on the table right here. Salmon. And then we're going to take the pork rib off. Doesn't it look good? Ooh, I'm so excited to try it. I had so much fun, and I hope you did too. Till next time, bye-bye.